Chapter 14. This is now the most crucial section of your story so far, the end of Act 2. Sometimes it's referred to as the all is lost moment of your story. Pain and emotion are key elements to the end of the act. You have pushed your story almost to the point of conclusion. You have spent Act 2 trying to solve the conundrum that ended Act 1 and launched Act 2. And you are ever so close to solving the greatest hurdles for your protagonist to climb over. But now, you're going to wreck it all, snatch victory from their hands and put your characters in a very dark place, further away from resolution than they were at the beginning of this compelling journey. This may sound overly dramatic if you're writing a light comic romance, but actually, even funny novels are infused with elements of pain and emotion at this point in the story. You may be reluctant to inflict even more pain on the characters that you have indeed grown to love, but you must. Bad things have to happen. Just when it seems that happiness is in their grasp, you do something awful to dash all hope of achieving that goal. Remember to think in terms of organic writing. The pain that your characters suffer at the end of Act 2 cannot come out of nowhere. It has to be logical, plausible, and absolutely integral to the story that you've created so far. Pay attention to emotion. Your readers need to care deeply about what happens to your characters. We know that Act 3 is going to be a difficult journey to redemption, and you must have your readers pulling for your character's success. So go ahead and write Chapter 14. Make us feel the pain and emotion and infuse the story with an element of hopelessness, which will set us up for a great third act. Submit your work and make your peers feel thankful for your comments on their work.